Alright guys, so we're gonna hop right into this video. It's gonna be a full face of Colourpop. I really accumulated a lot of different products from Colourpop, and I figured it'd be really cool to do I just thought it would be really cool to do a full face using nothing but Colourpop, except I did not get a Colourpop blush. I didn't get a Colourpop blush. I didn't get a Colourpop highlighter. But I do have this palette. This is the Truly Madly Deeply palette. And I figured there's like some pinky tones in there. Maybe I could use that as a blush. So we'll see. So let's hop right into the video. So I don't have a primer, but I'm going to use this NYX Hydra Touch oil primer. I really like this. I mean, I'm technically cheating, but when I went to Ulta, they didn't have any. Oh, wait, you know what? They do have the Soul. I think they have like the Soul primers, but I missed it. So my bad, guys. But I do like this oil. I feel like it doesn't make your face oily, so I like that. And I don't know if you guys notice that my brows are a little sharper, but I really like them. I like shaped my eyebrows up because they were really thick. So hopefully you guys notice. Like the tail should be sharper. Next, we're going to go in with foundation. This is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh foundation. I really like this. I've been using this pretty much since it came out. It's a really, really good foundation. It has a nice coverage to it. I have nothing but good things to say about it. So we're going to go right in there. Okay, so this is the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. I've been using this in all of my videos. I use it to clean my brows. This is a good concealer. I really, really like it. It's only like $7. Colourpop is already super affordable, but yes, I cannot believe that I have not been using this. I really like it. I'm just going to blend that out with a random beauty sponge. So typically next I would go in with a setting powder, but I had saw on Colourpop's Instagram this really cool body cream bronzer, so it can be used for the face and your body. But this is called the Face and Body Bronzing Balm in the shade Dark. I like it so far. It's I thought it was gonna be more like moussey, but it's really thick. Like I've been digging my brush in there and it's not really making, you know, a big difference. But I do really like it. I'm just gonna go in with my little sponge that I use and blend it. It smells so good. It smells kind of like hair grease, you know, when you're little and you like pack mass hair grease in your hair. Yes, that's what it reminds me of. Ah, my nose ring. I like this. I feel like it makes my face look really bronzy. I feel like the foundation might be like a shade too light, maybe. So I'm here for this. I feel like it just looks good. So I don't have like a powder contour, so I'm gonna try to just set my face with this Colourpop No Filter Loose Setting Powder. And I have the shade Translucent. It looks super white, so hopefully it works. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in the cap, and I'm going to attempt to use this to set my whole face. Since it's translucent, if it's a good powder, I feel like I should be able to use it on my whole face. Like, so we shall see. Ooh. Yeah, I think it's definitely translucent. That's good. I really like that powder. Like, wow, that's really good. I have a all over face powder by Colourpop, but I can't find it. And I used to use it all the time. And I really liked it, but it's somewhere in all of my makeup. So, oh, wait a minute. So I'm kind of noticing I could have put way too much powder on, because I feel like you should go in with like a light layer, and I kept packing it in this area, and it's kind of caking up a little bit, but I can ignore that because like the sides of my nose are super dry, so that is a-okay. Next, I think what we're gonna do is go in with eyeshadow. And I'm gonna use the palette that I showed you guys earlier. And the names are on the back also. So, since this isn't really a tutorial, it's just me kind of like showing you guys how cool their products are and how good they are. I'm not really gonna like go in detail on what I'm doing with eyeshadow. I'm just gonna zip through it and you guys can watch me. Okay, so I cut my crease. I'm just trying to do something simple. I'm not trying to get too crazy today. So I'm just gonna go in with a pretty shimmer in the palette. There's like a kind of coral shade, light pink. I think I'm gonna go in with that. I feel like with this shade that I'm using, it's called Blossom. I feel like I am having to like keep packing it in, but it is really pretty nonetheless. Am I getting good at cutting my crease?
Who said that? Who said that? Who said that?
I'm going to go in with that same shade that I put in my crease. Now I feel like I need a deeper shade just to intensify my outer V. And then I'm just gonna take a clean fluffy brush and blend everything. I don't have a liquid liner from Colourpop, but I do have these BFF cream gel liners. I have a bunch of colors. And I even ordered the colorful ones like Black Friday, so I'm just waiting on those to get here. But yeah, so I don't have a liquid liner, so I think I'm gonna take one of these and put it at the top and kind of at the top of my lid. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Brew Ha Ha. Oh. Okay, so a piece broke off. We'll continue. Okay. So I don't know if I just have a bad one, but it's really tugging and it's not as creamy. It's like other shades that I've used. Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay, let me focus. Let me focus. That was really hard to work with. I don't know if I've got if I got a bad one, but it just like kept breaking and it's dry. It's not as creamy. I had to really work with it. And that could be a thing where it just doesn't do good on eyeshadow. I don't know, but I'm not really a big fan of it. So next, I'm just going to throw on some lashes, but I did want to show you guys the lashes that I got. These are Kiss Lash Couture in the style Splendor. These were on sale at Ulta. They were normally like $7 and I got them for $5. So it's like, why not try them? And honestly, I've been kind of noticing, I don't really think I like those lashes that I got from Amazon that I've been using in a lot of my videos. I don't know. They just kind of look fake, especially on camera. When I was editing the video, I was like, ooh, that looks bad.
His body floating in front of that, picture above an article next to the
So I'm gonna go with these. Okay, so no wonder those lashes were on clearance. Those are very hard to put on, but they're hard to work with. They're hard to work with, and I feel like the band is really stiff. I've heard a lot of people say they like them, but yeah, they're like irritating my eyes. Okay, so another thing that I got from Colourpop is this big thing of lippies. They have, I would say them and NYX have my favorite formula of lip liners. They're really cheap. And this was on sale for Black Friday. Each pencil was like $2. So I'm glad I got them. The worst thing about this is I have no idea what shade I want to go in with. So that's a little overwhelming to me. I definitely want like a peachy tone. But I don't want something that's like too deep. I think I'm just gonna go in with the shade. This is BFF2. I've never used this one. I usually always use BFF3. Like, it's so good. And then this is in the shade Times Square. So I do have a lip gloss from Colourpop. I'm gonna run and go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I had bought this lip gloss forever ago. This is the Kathleen Lights collab. This is in Moonchild. But I think this will be a nice... Guys, these lashes keep lifting. This is lame. Anyway, I'm gonna put this lip gloss on. I mean, I could leave it like this, but I think I'm gonna go in with something a little deeper for the lip liner. Hoopty. It sounds like my type of party. Okay, so I hope you guys like this look. I was a little okay, so I know these lashes aren't Colourpop, but it needs to be known they're on clearance for a reason. But if you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time.